Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, we are going to start CapCut video series in desktop. Yes, in this video, we are going to start that how you can edit videos in CapCut in your desktop, laptop, or PC version. So let's start. So first of all, simply you have to go to the CapCut website, and from there you have to download the CapCut setup, which is fully free. You don't have to pay any kind of amount, or you don't have to buy a premium version. So simply you have to download from there, and you have to install it. After installing, you will see a look like this. Simply now what you have to do, you have to click on the new project. After clicking on the new project, here you can see this is the your file. Here you can say file menu, edit file. These are the files menus. After that, we have these tabs like import tab, audio tab, text. These are the tabs we are going to also discuss about it. And this is the properties panel. Here you will see the properties of the thing you are going to select. Simply first of all, I am going to click on this import, and I will import which files I am going to edit. For example, I want this picture, I want this video, and some these videos and this picture. I have inputted this in here. Now simply we have to drag it here, and as you can see here, you will click, you will see the properties of this thing you have selected, like audio, you have speed, animation, adjustment. Don't worry, we are going to discuss about them. I'm just going to give you an overview. Here we have a zoom in, zoom out option. If you want to zoom in or zoom out the layer, you can also do that. This is called timeline. This is a layer. If you want to crop the video, you can also do that. You have to click here. After clicking here, you have to select this option, and you have to crop it according to your need. Click on the confirm, it will be cropped automatically. So this is the basic class in which I have shown you that how you can install the CapCut and how you can edit, import the files and basic editings. So in the next class, we are going to start proper editing series. So see you in the next class.